Hello kids, welcome back. Today we are going to draw a big, beautiful rainbow. Are you ready? Let's start. First, draw a big curve across your paper, like a hill. This is the top of our rainbow. Now draw more curves under it, one by one, until you have 7 lines. Great! Time to color. The rainbow has 7 beautiful colors. Let's say them together. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Start coloring the top curve with red, then orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet at the bottom. To make it even prettier, let's draw 2 fluffy clouds at the ends of the rainbow. Wow! That looks amazing! You did such a great job, kids! Don't forget to show your rainbow to your family. See you next time!